Hey, Jake, did you have a favorite teacher when you were in school?
Hey, Emily. Oh yes, definitely. My favorite teacher was Mr. Thompson, my history teacher.
Really? Why did you like him?
He made history so interesting. He told stories instead of just reading from the book. It made the class fun.
That's awesome. I wish I had a history teacher like that. My favorite was Mrs. Garcia, my English teacher.
Oh nice. What did you like about her?
She was very kind and always encouraged us to be creative. She made me love reading and writing.
That's so cool. What was your favorite class besides English?
I really liked art class. I loved painting and drawing. It was relaxing and fun. What about you?
I enjoyed science class a lot. I liked doing experiments and learning how things work.
Did you have a favorite subject you didn't expect to like?
Actually, yes. I used to think math was boring, but I had a really good math teacher one year. He made everything clear and easy to understand.
That's great. A good teacher really makes a difference.
Totally. Did you ever struggle with any classes?
Yes, I was never good at physics. It was hard for me to understand.
Same here. I remember staying after class for extra help.
Me too. Luckily, my teacher was patient and helped me a lot.
Do you still use anything you learned in school?
I think so. I use my writing skills all the time, and I still enjoy reading books.
And I think science made me curious about the world. I like watching documentaries and learning new things.
That's true. Education stays with us even after school.
Yeah, and we never forget the teachers who inspired us.
Exactly. Maybe we should visit our old school someday and say thank you.
That's a great idea, Emily. Let's plan it.